Maximizing affiliate marketing success, enhancing click-through rates and conversion. In the dynamic world of affiliate marketing, success hinges on two pivotal metrics: click-through rate, center, and conversion rate. Both play a crucial role in translating your marketing efforts into tangible revenue. One particularly effective way to boost these metrics is through personalized content. Let's into how personalized content can significantly improve your center and conversion rates, complete with an example demonstrating the potential earnings. The power of personalized content. Personalization is the art of tailoring content to meet the unique preferences and needs of your audience. In a digital landscape saturated with generic advertising, personalized content stands out, fostering a deeper connection with your audience. This connection is key to increasing both center and conversion rates. Why personalized content enhances center? 1. Relevance. Personalized content resonates with your audience as it addresses their specific interests or problems. 1. This relevance naturally encourages more clicks. 2. Engagement. By speaking directly to an individual's needs and preferences, personalized content fosters a higher level of engagement, leading to increased click-throughs. 3. Trust. Personalization builds trust. 3. When your audience feels understood, they're more likely to take the desired action. Implementing personalization in your strategy. 1. Understand your audience. Gather data on your audience's preferences, behaviors, and demographics. 1. Tools like Google Analytics can be instrumental in this phase. 2. Segment your audience. Divide your audience into segments based on common characteristics or behaviors. 3. Tailor your content. Create content that specifically addresses the needs and interests of each segment. A real-life example. Let's consider the case of an affiliate marketer focusing on tech gadgets. After segmenting their audience, they noticed a particular group showed interest in high-performance laptops. They created a series of blog posts and videos tailored to this segment, featuring the Omen Laptop 17. The content highlighted specific features like its NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics and Intel Core i7 processor, which resonated with this audience segment. Results and earnings. 1. Before personalization. Average center, 2%. And conversion rate, 2.5%. Monthly traffic, 50,000 visitors. Affiliate product price, $1,500. Commission rate, 5%. Monthly earnings, $937.50. 2. After personalization. Improved center, 5%. Increased conversion rate, 4. Monthly traffic, 50,000 visitors. Affiliate product price, $1,500. Commission rate, 5%. Monthly earnings, $3,000. This jump from $937.50 to $3,000 in monthly earnings exemplifies the impact of personalized content on affiliate marketing success. Increasing center and conversion rates in affiliate marketing is a multifaceted challenge. Personalized content emerges as a potent strategy in this endeavor. By understanding and addressing the specific needs of your audience, you not only enhance engagement but also build a loyal customer base. As the digital world continues to evolve, the importance of personalization in marketing strategies becomes increasingly paramount. Start implementing personalization today and watch your affiliate marketing metrics reach new heights.